So I did something yesterday that in hindsight was probably not my smartest decision. I gave AI control of my computer for 24 hours, not just asking it questions like I usually do, I mean actually letting it use the computer, open things, move files, and change settings. Basically for one entire day. I wanted to see what happens if I stop treating AI like a chatbot and start treating it like the world's most overconfident IT guy. And I made myself one rule: if AI could reasonably do something for me, I wasn't allowed to do it myself, which sounded amazing at 9 in the morning. By lunchtime though, I was already negotiating with a computer, so I started easy. My downloads folder is basically where files go to die. Screenshots from 6 months ago, random PDFs, images called things like final_real. You know, a perfectly organized professional workspace. So I told the AI clean this up, and immediately folders started appearing, images went into one place and documents into another. Old files got separated, and within a few minutes my downloads folder actually looked normal. This was the first moment where I thought, wait, this might actually be incredible, because normally I would never do this. I'd look at the folder, feel slightly disappointed in myself and close it again. But now I had something that could actually do the boring stuff for me. So naturally I got confident, way too confident. I started giving it more control. I had it find files I've forgotten about, rename things, help me clear useless clutter. And for a while something really weird happened. I stopped reaching for the mouse. I would think of something I wanted done, and instead of opening folders and clicking through menus, I just describe it and it would try to make it happen. That's when this stopped feeling like some fun experiment, because for a few hours it genuinely felt like I was using my computer differently. But there was one small problem. AI has confidence, a lot of confidence, sometimes more confidence than actual knowledge. At one point I asked it to clean up some old files I didn't need anymore. It showed me what it wanted to remove. Most of it looked fine. Then I noticed one folder and I recognized the name. That folder was absolutely not supposed to disappear. And suddenly I'm sitting there staring at my screen thinking, oh, so this is how trust issues begin. Nothing had happened yet, I stopped it, but that completely changed the experiment, because until then I was watching everything it did. Now I started checking everything it did, and those are very different things. The rest of the day became this strange relationship where I'd ask it to do something, it would confidently start doing it, and I'd sit there like a nervous parent watching their kid use scissors for the first time. But I kept going because I wanted to know something. Could I actually make it through an entire day like this? And surprisingly, yeah, mostly. By the end of the 24 hours, my computer wasn't destroyed, my files were still there, and Windows hadn't spontaneously become Linux, and I hadn't accidentally transferred ownership of my house to a language model. So, successful experiment, I guess, but I came away from this thinking about something completely different. The impressive part wasn't that AI could control my computer. We've had automation forever. The impressive part was how quickly I got used to not doing things myself. After only a few hours, opening 5 folders to do something already felt annoying. Digging through settings felt unnecessary. And that's when I realized this is probably where we're going. I don't think we're going to stop using computers, but instead of remembering where everything is and doing the boring stuff, you'll increasingly just tell your computer what you want.